Good morning and welcome to the ASX at Breakfast. I'm Rachel, live from Kalkine Studios in Sydney. The Australian share market is expected to open lower this morning. The SPI futures are pointing to a 0.4% fall. Yesterday, the market closed 0.96% lower at 7,625. In business news from this morning, furniture retailer Nick Scali reports a net profit after tax of $43 million for the half year, slightly above the $40 to $42 million guidance provided at the October 2023 annual general meeting. Group written sales orders for the period were $212.7 million, and that was up 1.1% on the prior corresponding period. Both November and December being particularly strong. Revenue in the period of $226.6 million is consistent with written sales order levels and typical delivery lead times. Revenue in the prior period benefited from increased deliveries as the elevated June 2022 order bank reduced, with lead times returning to pre-COVID levels over the first half of 2023. Group gross profit margin of 65.6% for the half improved 3.6% compared to the first half of 2023 and is consistent with the second half of financial year 2023 gross profit margin of 65.4%. Telstra today announced its Group Executive of Telstra Enterprise, David Burns, will be leaving the company at the end of February. Oliver Camplin-Warner, the head of Telstra Purple, will be promoted to lead the enterprise business from the 1st of March. Telstra CEO Vicky Brady thanked David for the significant contribution he made to Telstra over the last 12 years, including his almost 7 years on the CEO leadership team, where he ran significant parts of the business. Janison has signed an agreement with the New South Wales Department of Education to deliver computer-based selective education placement tests. The agreement is expected to generate up to $45 million in revenue, provided all work stages are approved. Janison Education Group announced it's signed in the agreement with the Cambridge University Press and Assessment to deliver the state's selective education placement tests as computer-based tests via Janison's digital assessment platform. Following a competitive tender process, the department has appointed Janison to provide a range of services to deliver the testing for over 30,000 students each year for New South Wales selective high school and opportunity class placement tests from 2025. These services include providing the placement tests, the computer-based test platform, and managing the test centres, including invigilation. Let's take a break here. I'll be back with more news set to affect your trading day.
Build better relationships, get connected, heard and noticed. We always believe in getting you the best. Kalkine Media's growing platform, Kalkine TV, helps you connect to an inquisitive audience from across the globe. Interact in a trusted environment. Showcase your brand on Kalkine TV in a seamless and effective manner. We connect and curate content as per your business needs. So why wait? Write to us at guestteam@kalkine.com.au.
And welcome back to the ASX at Breakfast. Let's take a look overseas now. The Dow Jones Industrial Average dropped 0.71%. The S&P 500 slipped 0.32%. The Nasdaq Composite edged down 0.2%. In Europe, London's FTSE fell 0.04%, Frankfurt lost 0.08%, and Paris closed 0.03% lower. In Asia, Tokyo's Nikkei added 0.54%, Hong Kong's Hang Seng fell 0.15%, and China's Shanghai Composite fell 1.02% lower. That's the latest from the ASX at Breakfast. I'm Rachel, signing off for now.